Imagine you are an architect and about to build a stunning house. But before you start, you need some right tools, the best blueprints, study materials, and efficient machinery. Well, in the world of front-end development, it's no different. Today, I'll be sharing with you 5 absolute must-haves that can supercharge your development process and help you create stunning, user-friendly websites and applications. So let's get started. Tool number 1. Code editors. Do you still code in Notepad or in any old IDE? If yes, then you are missing on so many great features provided by different code editors. There are several good options like Atom, VS Code and Sublime Text. But for web development, I would suggest go for VS Code. In VS Code, you will be having so many great features, one of which is emmeds. For example, in VS Code, instead of writing whole HTML boilerplate, you can simply press exclamation mark and yes, HTML boilerplate will be generated for you in seconds. Along with this, you can simply customize your VS Code as you want. Also, there are several extensions that will boost your productivity and streamline your workflow, so you must give it a try. Number 2. Google Fonts. If you are still settling for the same old fonts in your web project, it's time to break free and dive into the treasure of fonts that Google Fonts offers. And the best part, they are all just a few clicks away and completely free to use. To use, simply go to Google Fonts, choose the font that you want to use and copy paste the link of import lines into your respective HTML and CSS files. It's this simple. So use Google Fonts and give unique touch to your next web project. Tool number 3. CSS Frame. Do you hate CSS just because you can't style the way you want, or you are lost in the CSS properties? What if I told you that you have to just copy paste the lines of code and use it in your project? Yes, CSS frameworks provide ready-made components that you can tweak a little and use into your projects without writing a styles by yourself. It's like having a toolbox full of design elements, which is making your website building process smoother. So you must use a CSS framework in your next project. Tool number 4. Version control system called Git. Have you ever worked on a group project where everyone was editing same document and it turned into a chaotic mess? If so, you will appreciate power of version control system called Git. The version control system is a must-have for developer. It allows you to track changes, collaborate with team members, and roll back the mistake with ease. If you want to learn about Git, you can simply watch this particular video from my channel. The link will be in the description below. Tool number 5. Code hosting platform like GitHub and GitLab. Imagine you are a dedicated developer working tirelessly on your laptop, coding away into the late hours of night. Then one day, disaster strikes. You realize that your laptop is gone. Whether it's a lost, stolen, or crashed beyond recovery, it's a nightmare scenario for any developer. Now let's introduce our hero in this story, GitHub. GitHub isn't just a platform for sharing code. It's your digital safety net. Just like you would store your most valuable possessions in your secure vault, you can securely store your code, projects, and collaborative work on GitHub. If you want to learn more, you can simply watch this particular video and take an idea of how Git and GitHub works in collaboration. And there you have your front-end development toolbox. But wait, we are just getting started on this incredible series of development tools. In the next part, we will unveil even more tools that will take your development to the next level. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming episodes. Until then, if you want to know the best roadmap for becoming a full stack web developer, you can check out this particular video from my channel. This was about today's video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until then, keep coding and keep developing.